A very good morning to all my dear children. Today is Thursday and we will study English. In today's class, children, we will learn to read and recognize capital letters A to Z along with their phonic songs and sounds. After that, we will practice writing of capital letter P. And then we will practice our rhyme Little Jack Horner. So let's start our today's class. Children, now let's learn and recognize capital letters A to Z with pictures. So let's start, children. You also speak with me. Now look here, children. This is capital A. A for apple. A for apple. Now comes B. B for ball. This is B. B for ball. Now comes C. C for cat. Meow. C for cat. The next letter is D. Look here, children. This is capital D and D for dog. This is dog. Now comes E, children. Look here. This is E. E for elephant. Now the next letter is capital F. F for fish. F for fish. Children, this is G. G for goat. Now comes H. H for hen. Children, the next letter is I. I for ice cream. We all love to eat ice cream in summers. Now comes J. J for jug. Children, after J, this is K. K for kite. Next letter is L. This is L. L for lion. Now comes M. M for mango. Summer is the season of mango. M for mango. Now comes N. N for nest. The bird lives in a nest. Children, this is O. O for orange. Now comes P. P for parrot. Children, the next letter is Q. Q for queen. Now comes R. R for rabbit. This is S. S for ship. Now comes T. This is capital T. T for tiger. The tiger. This is a tiger. Children, this is capital T. T for tiger. Now comes U. U for umbrella. The next letter is V. V for van. Now comes W. W for watch. Children, this is X. X for Xmas tree. Children, this is capital Y. Y for yak. And now comes the last letter. This is Z. Z for zebra. Children, in this way, you have to learn to read and recognize capital letters A to Z with the help of picture. Children, let's revise and recite the song and the sounds of the letters A to Z. Today is 15th July 2021. This is A. The sound of A is A. Ants on my arms, it's causing me alarm. A. A says A. Now comes B. B says B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B says B. Now comes C. K. The sound of C is K. We are clicking castanets. K, K, K. So C says K. Now comes D. D says D. The sound of D is D. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is a lots of fun with a da 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 da. So the sound of D is D. Now comes E. E says eh. Eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh eh eh. Cracks the eggs like this. E says eh. Now comes F. F says my friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and there came out G. G says G. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. G, 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 G. So the sound of G is G. Now comes H. H says hop. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. You love this song, isn't it? So the sound of H is H. Now comes I. I says E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is all over the desk. Inky is wet. So I says E. Now comes J. You all love jelly and jam, isn't it? So J says J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. J says J. Now this is K. K says K, and it is a kicking K. Kites are flying in the sky. K, K, K. Kites are flying in the sky. K, K, K. So K says K. Now comes L. L says L. We lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. L. We lick a lollipops. So the sound of L is L. Now comes M. The mom and the dad make many meals. So when we are hungry, we ask our mom and dad to make something for us, isn't it? The mom and the dad make many meals. For their hungry children. So M says Now see N. N says Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. N says Now comes O. O says O. Now it's dark, the lights go on. O. It's time for bed, the light goes off. O. O says O. Now children comes P. Remember, I taught you the song of letter P last time. So P says P. Puff out the candle on the pink cake. Puff. Puff matlab candles ko bujhana. We are puffing the candle. Puff out the candle on the pink cake. Puff. Q. Q says Q. The sound of Q is Q. This is R. R says R. S. S says S. The sound of S is S, as a snake. This is T. T says T. U. U says A. V says W. The sound of V is W. W says W. The sound of W is W. Now comes X. The sound of X is X. Y. Y says Y. The sound of letter Y is Y. Now comes Z. Z says Z, as a zigzag. Isn't it, children? In this way, you have to learn the songs and sounds of the letters A to Z the way I taught you. Children, today again we will write capital P. As you know, P for pencil, isn't it? And there are many other things which start with the letter P, like parrot, peacock, pot. So, this is capital P. This is today's date. Today is 15th July 2021. Now children, look here how you will write P. You have to put your pencil on the red line and you have to make a standing line till the second blue line, like this. And then you have to make a semicircle on your right side, like this, between these two lines, between the first red line and the first blue line, like this. And then you have to join it with the standing line. In this way, you have to write capital P, like this. Standing line and a small semicircle. Like this. Now children, I will show you how you will write in your notebook. Children, now it's time to write capital P in the notebook. In this way you have to write. See, first we will start with the date. Today is 15th July 2021, like this. Now children, see, you have to put your pencil on the red line. From here you have to make a standing line like this, and between red and blue line you have to make a semicircle like this, and you have to join it with the standing line. In this way you have to write capital P. Like this. See, first line is finished. Quite easy, isn't it? Children, in this way you have to write capital P, standing line and a semicircle, standing line, semicircle like this, standing line, small semicircle, and see, this is the last block. In this way children, you have to write capital P in your English notebook, 1 page of it. Okay, so write it, take its picture and send it to me. Now it's time to do practice work. और प्रैक्टिस वर्क में हमें क्या लिखना है? आई से ऐनक, हिंदी की नोटबुक में. सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट टुडेज डेट. टुडे इज 15th July 2021, लाइक दिस. और ये लिखने के बाद हम आई से ऐनक लिखेंगे. सबसे पहले पेंसिल को रखा हमने ऊपर वाली ब्लू लाइन पे, एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई और एक स्लांटिंग लाइन बनाई, और ये स्लांटिंग लाइन नीचे वाली ब्लू लाइन से टच होनी चाहिए. फिर आपको हाथ हटाना है. आप थोड़ा सा गैप देके फिर से एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई और इसको यहाँ पे घुमा के इधर से इससे मिला दिया. अब यहाँ पे हमको एक स्लांटिंग लाइन बनानी है और अंदर मोड़ देना है ऐसे, और फिर छत लगानी है. देखो ऐसे. तो हमने आई लिखा. सबसे पहले हमने ए से एडी बनाया. बच्चों अभी आपको आता है ना बनाना? ऐसे ए बन गया. अब यहाँ पे ये जो लाइन है यहाँ से हमको एक स्लांटिंग लाइन बनानी है और अंदर की तरफ इसको मोड़ देना है ऐसे, और फिर छत लगानी है ऐसे. पहले ए लिखा, फिर इसके ऊपर स्लांटिंग लाइन बना के अंदर मोड़ा और फिर छत लगा दी. बन गया आई. आई से ऐनक ऐसे. ऐसे करते करते 1 लाइन फिनिश हो जाएगी. देखो यूं. ये वाला देखो बच्चों, ये थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया है तो हम इसको इरेज करेंगे, है ना. अगर गलती करते हैं तो कोई बात नहीं, हम उसको इरेज कर सकते हैं, है ना. इरेज किया ऐसे यूं. अब देखो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या गलती की थी, मैं ये लाइन को बहुत लंबा ले आई थी. नहीं, हमको बस यहाँ तक लाना, फिर इसको इधर ऐसे मोड़ देना है और मिला देना है ऐसे. बच्चों इस तरह से आपको आई लिखना है. आई से ऐनक. पहले स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई, फिर स्लांटिंग लाइन बनाई, फिर स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई, उसको मिला दिया इधर से, और फिर एक स्लांटिंग लाइन बना के उसको अंदर की तरफ मोड़ा. पहले ए लिखा, फिर ऐसे आई लिखा, फिर छत लगा दी. यूं. तो इस तरह से आपको आई की एक बार और प्रैक्टिस करनी है. आपकी हिंदी की नोटबुक में 1 पेज आई लिखना है और इसकी पिक्चर मुझे भेजनी है. Children, let's recite the rhyme Little Jack Horner, which I hope now you all are able to learn. Let's do it together. Good morning. The title of my poem is Little Jack Horner. Little Jack Horner sat in the corner, eating his Christmas pie. He put in his thumb and pulled out a plum and said, "What a good boy am I." Let's say it one more time. Little Jack Horner sat in the corner, eating his Christmas pie. He put in his thumb and pulled out a plum and said, "What a good boy am I." In this way, children, you have to learn this rhyme along with the actions, and then you have to make your video on it and send it to me. See you in your next class. Bye-bye.